and Zodiac Virtual Bar. My name is Yana and I'll be your bartender. So everyone, we all know that shelter in place is going to be around for some time. It's the sad, unfortunate truth, but it is the reality. And it doesn't mean that it should stop us from having a good time at home, right? I mean, I know you all miss your bartender, I know you miss your neighborhood bartenders and all of that, and it's not the same at home, but we have to adjust and we have to have some fun at home and, of course, drink some good cocktails. So today I'm going to show you how to make something really, really simple, but something that will last in your refrigerator for a long time, and it will save you a lot of prep time whenever you feel like having a drink over the weekend or after a long day or whenever you feel like it, right? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make shrubs. Shrubs are very special for me because I remember when I was just starting out working at Playland Bar in San Francisco, one of the owners there had inspired me by giving me an Imbibe magazine, and in that magazine, in that particular issue, they were talking about how to make shrubs, and I found out that shrub is a non-alcoholic syrup that used to be made a long time ago, and then it came back into the cocktail world. So it's nothing new, it's pretty ancient, but of course we all know how we can make things really cool again, right? So a shrub is basically made out of 3 ingredients. It's made out of sugar, fruit, and vinegar. It's super easy to make. The shrub originally was made for medicinal purposes. Later on, people were drinking it to stay cool, especially in the South. It's a nice syrup to mix with some soda water or just some regular water. Put it on ice and it's super refreshing and keeps you cool throughout the hot summer. That's why we are picking this as one of our topics for a video, because it is easy to make. You're going to want refreshing drinks in the summertime. It's already getting warm here in San Francisco, and if you have a backyard, you know you're going to be out there having some drinks. Maybe eventually, as things kind of calm down, you can be hosting little gatherings so that it's safe at home. But that's kind of where our future is going. We're going to be hosting little parties at home now. We're not going to a bar because we're not going to be wearing masks at a bar and having 6 feet social distancing. It just isn't right for a bar. So let's adjust. We gotta do what we gotta do, right? Okay. So back to the shrub. So I told you it has a special place in my heart. I really, really like making it, and it's so easy, and you can be creative with it. Today I'm showing you one of the simplest ways to make it, and I'm just using 1 fruit. So you can guess which fruit I used. Actually, a berry. I used raspberries. I'm going to switch the video to show you how I made it, and then I'll get back to you after. Shrub is that you can store it in the refrigerator for 3 months. You can make a huge batch of it, keep it in a large jar or whatever vessel you use. And when you're hosting or you want to have people serve themselves, you could put it in a pitcher and already mix it with the alcohol and the soda water, and it'll be like basically a lemonade. It'll be ready to go, and people can serve it in their cup with ice. So now that you know how to make a shrub, let's make a cocktail with the shrub. Really simple. I actually am going to try for the first time making it right now. I didn't do a pre-test or anything like that, but I think that the apple cider vinegar with the raspberry and the sugar will go really well with some whiskey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my glass with ice. I'm going to pour 1 ounce of the raspberry shrub. Let's do 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Okay, some sparkling soda. Top it off, mix it with something, just stir it in the glass. Then lemon wheel. Seriously, you don't need to be putting a lot of effort into making your drink when it's hot and it's already frustrating as it is to be stuck at home. So let's make our lives easier. Let me taste this. I haven't tried this yet. Smells so good. Okay. I'm not bragging or anything, but this tastes amazing, and I can guarantee that it's going to taste as amazing when you make it at home because it's so easy to make. There are different ways of making a shrub. I made it one of the easiest ways. I put a 1-to-1 ratio of raspberries and sugar. So 1.5 cups of raspberries and 1.5 cups of sugar, and I put it in a jar like you saw in the video, and I let it sit for 2 days. And then I strained it. I strained the seeds out, and it became this simple syrup, basically a raspberry simple syrup. Oh my god. It tasted like jam. I was ready to get some dark Russian rye bread, put some butter and the jam on top. Wow, it's just so delicious. But you saw how then I put 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. When you taste it by itself, when it hasn't been refrigerated yet, the vinegar really stands out. But after it sits in the refrigerator, the ingredients become more balanced. But still, the vinegar is quite strong, so you can go less on the vinegar because it's definitely up to your taste. And of course, like right now, even though by itself the taste of vinegar is really strong, when I mixed it with the bourbon and topped it off with sparkling water, it is perfect. It's really, really well balanced. The other thing I wanted to mention is that you could play around with the kind of vinegars that you use in your shrub. Say you're using pear or you're using fig, maybe you can use champagne vinegar. The world of vinegar is huge, so it's something else to start dabbling into. Maybe if you want to get more creative with your shrubs and taste all the different kind of shrubs and make shrubs with different kind of vinegars, it would be really cool. But of course, you know, the go-to is the apple cider vinegar. It went really well with the raspberries. I've personally made shrub with figs before, and also lemon shrub, and those were really good. And the other idea I had was to next time make a raspberry lemon shrub and so I would put lemon and raspberries and sugar, let it sit for a couple of days, and I'm sure it will taste delightful. So there you have it. Cheers, everyone. I hope this video was helpful. Please ask us questions, leave comments below. We also have another video by Katya that explains how to pre-batch cocktails and how to host the perfect party. Definitely check that video out as well. We'll be making more videos. We understand even if we go outside to take walks or we do have to go out into the field and work, but regardless, we're coming back home. We're spending a lot of time at home. So please let us know if there's something that you'd want us to talk about and to teach you how to make. We're more than happy to do that. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.